beautiful nail divas, it's me, Princess D, and it's New Year's Eve, the day that I'm recording this, and I was going to do my nails, and but I came across a couple things that I need to catch up on. So this was a gift that was sent to me for my birthday, and I never got around to recording it because it was unopened when I moved down here, and then when I got here it was on the mover's truck and it took them forever to get here, and then I finally opened it and didn't realize what it was, and so you're not gonna get my first reaction, but this is so beautiful that I couldn't not put it on film because I want her to know that I really, really, truly appreciate it. This was sent to me by Just Nailed It. Her name is Cherie. If you don't know, she does a lot of nail art videos, natural nail videos. She is also trying to, she's learning to do acrylics. So if you're new to doing acrylics and you want to watch how she does it, you're welcome to go visit her channel. Again, that's Just Nailed It on YouTube. She also has an Instagram that you can visit. I will pop those up on the screen and in the description box. So here we go. So you already know it's a shirt. And the material is like bathing suit kind of material. Like it's real stretchy. And it's like that workout kind of maybe material. But it is a giant lion, you guys. I don't know if you guys have followed me for a while, you know that I love, love, love lions. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see it all. Again, thank you so much, Just Nailed It. I also got the calendar, and I wanted to at least finish going through it with you guys. This is from Charlie's Nail Art, and she always sends her own personal handwritten thank you in every package. So we already went through 6. We didn't do 7 through 24. So we're going to do that today real quick. I absolutely love these. I already saw everybody else's, so you're not going to get my first reaction. So I'm sorry, but these are so beautiful. These are going to be great for summer, and summer is coming upon us very fast, right? So we got to get these snowflakes up out of here and start in with some fun summer nails. Are these gorgeous peach AB crystals? They're so beautiful, you guys. This is like, this reminds me of fall. It's called Season's Greetings. There's some goodies in here, you guys. We gotta open this. This is gonna be gorgeous. This is called Christmas Memories. So it is foil with a lot of different things on it, like the ham. You have ham for Christmas sometimes, candy canes, gingerbread men, cameras, packages, candy. And this is a negative space foil. Somebody asked me, I think her YouTube name is C Mayo. If you want to go visit her channel, this is a negative space foil because you can see through the background. So it has a lot of space that's not taken up. So I like the negative foils. The reason because when I started doing foils, I never had a problem with the negative space foils lifting or peeling because it's just this little area, this little spot, and then the rest is top coated. It's covered, it's sealed all the way around. So that's why I clung to these. But now that I've learned more on how to use the foil glue gel and stuff like that, I'm starting to love all foils. Ooh. Ooh, is this gorgeous? This is called Forest Green. Oh my goodness, look how cute. These tiny little, I think they're plastic bows, and it looks like cheetah print, I think. It doesn't have a name. They're just little bows, and they look like a brown with black with a white background. Ooh, I'd say very lucky. Transparent long stars, glitter sequence shapes. Ooh, these are very transparent, so any color you put them over top of, you will be able to see through them. And when the light hits them is when you'll see these colors. Beautiful. Ooh, now this is not a negative space foil because it is not, you cannot see through it, but you can see all those gorgeous prisms. This is called Shattered Rainbow. This is an ombre of 3 colors. Love to do a design with that. This is a sugared glitter, I'm assuming. This is a fine matte neon glitter purple, okay? So it does have a sparkle. Another set of a different shaped bow. This is like a bone white with a red polka dot. So stinking cute. This is Mylar nail glitter, and it has a purple green shift, purple pink to a green shift to me. I don't know, my eyes be playing tricks on me, you guys, when I be seeing these. Ooh, indies. This is a no name, but it is a metal in gold, so you would definitely have to put something over these or they would turn color on you, so some kind of gel. Oh, this is gorgeous. Fine iridescent glitter called Baby Blue. Let's see what you about, Baby Blue. I love it. Ooh, now these are always gonna make somebody's day, baby. No name on these, but these I would call a long teardrop. What would you call them? This is a Charlie's Nail Glitter Mix Pink Gin. This is a pink iridescent. There are iridescent hexes mixed in with this. See, that's why I like to open them so you can see the yummy yum yum. What do you guys think? These are beautiful 3D flowers. They are like a light pink to dark pink. They're flat on the back, so you can take your e-file and groove them if you want to, or leave them like that. I would put a groove in it so it lays flatter on the nail. This is that black lace. This is called black chunky lace. Let's take a peek. Oh, I saw these on Aggie's channel. She has a notebook with the same print on it. I absolutely love this. This is a beautiful silver hollow glitter. This is called Hexi Nail Glitter Mix in Silver. I should say silver hollow because that has a lot of beautiful hollow. Thank all of you divas for joining me. And what am I going to say now, divas? Say it with me. Stay divalicious, and I'll see you when I see ya. Come back and join me in part 2, hopefully tomorrow.